Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to turn on Find My iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. It is usually represented by a gear icon. So after you tap on it, simply tap on your name option available on the top. You can see your name available there. Tap on it. This will take you to your Apple ID's settings. Now in your Apple ID settings, tap on Find My. Now toggle the switch next to the Find My iPhone to the on position. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID, Face ID to confirm the action, or else it will be simply turned on. Or optionally, you can also enable Send Last Location. This feature sends the last known location of your iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low, helping you to locate it even if the battery dies. So that it is, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.